Home remedies for diabetes. Worldwide, the problem of diabetes is reaching alarming proportions. This chronic disease affects a person when the blood sugar levels in the body shoot up due to inadequate insulin production, insulin resistance. Children, teens, and young adults are more susceptible to type 1 diabetes. Adults, on the other hand, are more likely to have type 2 diabetes. There is another type of diabetes called gestational, which occurs during pregnancy. It tends to resolve after delivery. The symptoms of diabetes are increased thirst, frequent urination, extreme hunger, unusual weight loss, slow healing of cuts and sores, extreme fatigue, and blurry vision. Here are some home remedies for diabetes. Home remedy 1. Take a cup of hot water, mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in it. Drink this solution daily. Cinnamon improves fasting glucose level in individuals dealing with type 2 diabetes. You can also add cinnamon to various recipes. Proper dosage depends on your age, weight, and health status. So, you could consult your doctor for a suitable dosage. Do not take cinnamon in excess. Home remedy 2. Take 2 to 3 bitter gourds or karela, peel and de-seed them, extract their juice, add some water and drink the mixture daily in the morning for at least 2 months. To make this remedy more effective, you can mix 1 teaspoon each of Indian gooseberry or amla juice and bitter gourd juice. Consume it daily in the morning. Home remedy 3. Soak a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, drink this water and eat the seeds along with milk. Take this remedy on an empty stomach. This is beneficial during the early stages. Follow this remedy for at least 2 months. Tips. Include Indian plums or jamun in your diet. You can also chew about 10 curry leaves daily in the morning for 3 to 4 months. When using these remedies, make sure you keep checking your blood sugar levels. Keep in mind that these remedies cannot entirely replace your medicines. By following these remedies, you can reduce diabetes in a short period of time. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.